Hi everyone, I am Prasad. Welcome to Professor Spark channel. This is 10th class for electrostatic chapter. Let's go to solve problems. Two point charges 16q and 25q are separated distance d. At what distance from 16q electric field is zero on line joining the charges? From data 16q 25q are separated at distance d. So what is the condition here? At what distance from 16q electric field is 0? Suppose I take unit positive charge here, which is at a distance x from 16q. So from 25q it become d minus x. 16q repels unit positive charge along this direction, 25q repels along this direction. So here electric field is 0 mean their magnitude should be equal. Electric field due to 16q, that is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 16q by distance is x, so x square. Electric field due to 25q, that is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 25q by distance is d minus x, so this is square. So both are in opposite direction, resultant becomes 0, so their magnitude should be equal. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 16q by x square is equivalent to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 25q by d minus x whole square. So here 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught cancel, q cancel. Sixteen is nothing but 4 square by x square, that is 4 by x whole square. 25, that means 5 square by d minus x, that means 5 by d minus x whole square. See here both sides we have square, so square is cancel. Then we get 4 by x is equal to 5 by d minus x. So taking cross multiplication, then we get 4 into d minus x, that is equal to 5x. 4d minus 4x, that is equal to 5x. So 4d is equal to 5x plus 4x, that is 9x. So x is equal to 4d by 9. So at a distance of 4d by 9 from 16q, electric field intensity is 0. Now the problem, instead of 35q there is minus 25q. So what we get the answer? 16q minus 25q are separated by a distance d. Now unit positive charge should be placed outside between 16q minus 25q, so that is a distance is x from 16q minus 25q, it become d plus x. So 16q repels along this direction, minus 25q along this direction. Electric field intensity 0 at this the point mean both magnitudes should be equal. See here, electric field due to 16q, that is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 16q by, so distance is x, so d square is x square. So this is the magnitude of minus 25q, that is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught minus 25q by, so distance is d plus x, okay, whole square. At this the point, electrostatic intensity magnitudes are same because resultant is 0. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 16q by x square should be equivalent to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 25q by d plus x whole square. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught cancel. q cancel, 16 that is 4 square, 25 that is 5 square, 4 square by x square that is 4 by x whole square, 5 square by d plus x whole square that is 5 by d plus x whole square, square cancel, taking cross multiplication, then we get 4 into d plus x that is equal to 5x, 4d plus 4x that is equal to 5x. See, 4d is equal to 5x minus 4x, so that is x, so x is equal to 4d. So at a distance of 4d from 16 cube, electric field intensity is 0. 5 equal charges q are placed at the corners of regular hexagon side D. What is electric field at the center of hexagon? So given regular hexagon of the side is D, so all sides of hexagon are D. 5 charges q are placed at the corners of hexagon. Here there is no q, no charge at this the point. Suppose this is the center. So what is electric field at the center of hexagon? Repels along this direction. So there is exactly opposite q charge. So this is also repels along this direction, and this q repels along this direction, and this q is along this direction. So their magnitudes are equal. So these magnitudes, these vectors are in opposite direction. So electric field strength is 0, and this is also 0. See here, only one charge is here. There is no opposite charge to other end of this one. So this q repels along this direction. See, what is the distance between this point to this charge? To find the distance, see here, we take the external angle. See, all of the sides. See, all external angles are equal. Suppose that external angle is x, so we have 6 external angles. So sum of these external angles is 6x. We know the concept in the mathematics. Sum of external angles in regular polygon is 360 degrees. So sum of these angles should be equivalent to 360 degrees. So 6 are 660. So x is equal to what? 60 degrees. See here, it become 60. So what is this angle? It become 120, because this is a straight line. Total angle is 180. 180 minus 60, so it become 120. So this is a regular hexagon, so it bisect angle equal. So this is 60 and this is also 60 degrees. I draw another line to this point. So this also 60 degrees. So what is the remaining angle? It becomes 60 degrees. So it is equilateral triangle. One of the side is given D, so it's become D. This distance is D, electric field due to this charge of this the point, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by d square. So this is electric field strength. Electric field strength, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by d square. See here, along toward the corner having no charge. Suppose we take in another direction. See here, 5 charges are placed at the corners of hexagon. If suppose there is q on this hexagon, we know the concept. Total vectors of these, that means sum of these vectors should be equivalent to 0, but there is no charge. So here no charge. So I write as E1 plus E2 plus E3 plus E4 plus E5 is equal to how much? So I take E1 plus E2 plus E3 plus E4 plus E5 E6 minus E6. See here, what is this resultant? That is 0. 0 minus E6. So what is E6? So this is the sixth charge is at this the corner. So it repels unit positive charge along this direction. So minus means take opposite. See here. So this vector whose magnitude is E6. So what is the magnitude of E6? That is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q. So what is this distance? So the distance is d, q by d square. So this is. So magnitude is this and direction is this one. What is electric field intensity at the center of the circle for has a charge q as shown in the figure. So here center has, so the circle has a radius r. So this is not a quad circle. There is empty remaining part has a charge q. Suppose we take a quad circle. Suppose I take this the part. So there is exactly opposite equal part to the center on the circle. So both have same charges, both are at a distance same. So electric field are in opposite directions. Here electric field is 0. So for entire circle, compulsory there is opposite equivalent part of other side of circle. So total electric field is 0. But here this is the empty. It has opposite part. So for remaining parts, both are in opposite to the center. So due to these charges, electric field intensities are in opposite directions. So total resultant field is 0. Electric field intensity due to only this part. So what is this charge? What is total charge on this one? So given here 60 degrees. So it has exactly opposite part on the other side of the circle. So it makes also 60 degrees. So what is this charge? So given, so this is 60 degrees, total angle is 360. So what is the remaining angle? That is 300 degrees. 360 minus 60, that is 300. So for 300 degrees, the charge is given, that is q. I want to only 60 degrees part. 60 degrees part requires how much charge? See here, for 300 it has a charge q, mean for 1 degree mean q by 300. Okay, so 300 should be go to denominator. For 60, so for 300 degrees charge is q. So what is for 1 degree? That is q by 300. I want to charge for 60 degrees. So that is q by 300 into 60. So that is q by 6. Okay. So charge is q by 6. So all the charge is at equal distances. So distance is given, that is r. Total electric field at the center is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Charge is q by 6 into distance is r square. So electric field is equal to 6 into 4, 24 pi epsilon naught q by r square. So this is answer. What is electric field intensity or the diagonals intersection of rectangle as shown in the figure? See here, 4 at the 4 corners, 25C minus 25C minus 25C minus 25 plus 25C are there. So what is electric field at the center? So this is the unit positive charge is at here. So this 25C plus 1 repels along this direction. So minus 25 attracts in this direction. So this 25C repels unit positive charge along this direction. Minus 25C attracts unit positive charge along this direction. See here, two vectors are in the same direction. Here also two vectors are in the same direction. Look here, magnitude of each charge is equal, 25, 25. All charges are at equal distance from the center. So their magnitudes is also same. So that is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 25 by, so what is the distance? Look here, so along the x-axis, see, along this line, this is 8, along this line 6, so what is the magnitude? So it is 8, see here, magnitude of this one is 6. So what is the diagonal length? Right angle triangle. From right angle triangle, diagonal is hypotenuse. So hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square, 8 square, that is 64, 6 square, that is 36, 64 plus 36, that is 100, hypotenuse root 100, that is 10. So each diagonal length is 10. From the center is midpoint, so its length is 5, its length is 5, 5, 5. So each distance is 5, d square is 5 square, that is 25, so 25, 25 cancel, so we get 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. E vector is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. See here, there are two vectors are in the same direction, so total magnitude along this direction is 2 into 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. So that is 1 by 2 pi epsilon naught. Similarly here, so two vectors are added, so that is 1 by 2 pi epsilon naught. So what is the resultant vector? See, for convenient to 1 by 2 pi epsilon naught, I considered as P, so it become also P. So resultant vector, that is square root p square plus 2 into p cos, what is angle between them? So what is this angle? So to find this total angle, I draw a perpendicular line to this side 6a. So it exactly intersection bisect. So it becomes 3. So what is this angle? Alpha, combination of right angle triangle where pi is hypotenuse. So it becomes 4. So what is the cos alpha here? Adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is 4 by 5. But I want to total angle here. So that is cos here 2 alpha. So here cos 2 alpha. So cos 2 alpha is equal to how much? When we know cos alpha is equal to 4 by 5. So what is cos 2 alpha? See, we have a formula for cos 2 alpha, that is 2 cos square alpha minus 1. 2 cos square alpha, that is 4 by 5 whole square minus 1. So 2 into 4 square, that is 16 by 25 minus 1. 2 16s are 32. See here 25 on 1s are 25. 32 minus 25, that is 7. 7 by 25. So cos 2 alpha is 7 by 25. So this is 7 by 25. 7 into 2, 14. P into P, P square. P square plus P square, So this is 2p square. 25 into 2, 50. 50 plus 14, 64. So this is 64 p square by 25. Root of 64 is 8. Root 25 is 5. Root p square is p. So answer is E resultant is 8 by 5p. So this is 8 by 5p. What is the p? That is equal to 8 by 5 into 1 by 2 pi epsilon naught. So 2 1s are 2 4s are. So answer is 4 by 5 pi epsilon naught. So this is resultant electric field magnitude. So what is the direction? So this is the direction along this one. What is electric field intensity at origin if Q equal charges are placed at a distance of d, 2d, 4d and so on. See here. So this is the structure. See, this all Q repels unit positive charge of the origin along this direction. So resultant vector is sum of these vectors. So electric field due to Q at a distance d, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by d square. Electric field due to at a distance 2d, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by distance is 2d, so d square is 4d square. Electric field due to charge at 4d, that is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by 4d square, that is 16d square. See, and so on. So resultant vector is sum of these vectors. So that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by d square plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by 4d square plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by 16d square plus and so on. E resultant, that is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught d square is common in all the terms. So in the first term it becomes 1 here. So in the second term, so 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by d square is a common, then 1 by 4 is left. Here from this term there is 1 by 16, so on plus and so on. So that is infinite. See this one. So this is in GP, geometric progression. So what is A here? 1. What is R here? That is 1 by 4. Each term is multiplied by 1 by 4. So R is equal to 1 by 4. See here, R is less than 1. We know for geometric progression, if suppose R is less than 1, infinite sum of geometric progression, we have a formula that is equal to, sum is equal to A by 1 minus R. So we have a formula A by 1 minus R. So what is A? So 1 minus, what is R? 1 by 4. 1 minus 1 by 4. 4 into 1, 4 minus 1, 3 by 4. 1 by 3 by 4, that is 4 by 3. So this is equivalent to the 4 by 3. So E resultant is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught d square into 4 by 3. 4 cancel. Then we get Q by 3 pi epsilon naught into d square. So this is answer.